Welders must also consider the environmental factors that may influence their work. Conditions such as humidity, temperature, and wind can alter the behavior of molten metal and affect the quality of the weld. For instance, high humidity may lead to condensation on the surfaces being joined, requiring meticulous attention to detail during preparation. Additionally, varying temperatures can impact the cooling rate of welds, influencing their microstructure and, ultimately, their mechanical properties. Understanding these variables is essential for welders aiming to achieve optimal results in diverse settings. Proper joint design involves not only the selection of joint type and filler material but also meticulous edge preparation. Welders must adhere to established standards, ensuring that joint edges are shaped optimally to facilitate a strong and durable bond. This preparation stage includes grinding or beveling edges, which enhances penetration during the welding process, ultimately affecting the mechanical strength of the finished joint. Furthermore, maintaining consistent quality throughout the welding procedure is vital, as variations can lead to defects that compromise structural integrity. Understanding the interplay between these factors allows welders to mitigate potential risks associated with different welding situations. By embracing precision in their craft, welders contribute to a higher level of safety and reliability in their work, fostering trust among engineers and project managers. The more adept a welder becomes at managing these details, the better positioned they are to tackle increasingly complex projects with assurance. Through hands-on training and practical experience, they refine their techniques, ultimately leading to improved performance that reflects positively on the entire industry. Such professionalism is essential in upholding the standards expected in contemporary construction and manufacturing sectors. Additionally, collaboration among welders, engineers, and designers fosters an environment where ideas can be shared, and problems can be solved collectively, enhancing project outcomes further. As technology evolves, so too do the tools and techniques available at a welder's disposal, leading to greater efficiency and effectiveness in their work. Thus, continuous education and engagement with new methodologies remain crucial for welders aiming to stay ahead in their field and ensure a successful career. Ultimately, it is this commitment to excellence and adaptability that shapes the future of welding, allowing for safer, more reliable structures that meet modern demands. As the welding process unfolds, welders must maintain high levels of concentration and precision, ensuring that each pass is consistent and adheres to the established welding procedure specification. Any deviation could jeopardize the integrity of the joint and necessitate tedious corrective measures. Furthermore, the mental discipline involved in monitoring heat input and travel speed is crucial, as these variables significantly influence the mechanical properties of the weld. Regular calibration of equipment and tools contributes to a steady performance, allowing welders to produce work that meets rigorous standards of quality and safety. By adhering strictly to these practices, welders not only enhance their craftsmanship but also contribute to the reliability of the structures they help to build. Regular assessments ensure that welds comply with safety and quality standards, identifying areas for improvement in techniques and methodologies. Through diligence and commitment, welders solidify their role as guardians of structural integrity, ensuring that every joint thrives amidst demanding conditions and expectations. Ultimately, it is this unwavering dedication that empowers an industry built on trust, safety, and innovation, embracing the challenges of tomorrow's construction landscape.